Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up Tonkeeper wallet account. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Tonkeeper. Now once you have found this Tonkeeper Ton Wallet application, you just have to tap on the install button and wait for some time until it is installing in your device. Now once the installation is successful, you just have to tap on the open button in order to launch it. Now once you are on the Tonkeeper wallet application, you are going to see two different options on the home page. The first is of create a new account, and the second one is of import your existing account. So as you want to create and set up our new account on Tonkeeper wallet, you just have to select the first option, that is create new wallet. After that, you just have to type the new passcode that you want to set for your account. After that, it will ask you to re-enter your passcode, so you just have to re-enter the passcode that you have entered previously. After doing so, it will show you this prompt that says get instant notifications. So if you want to get notified by this application, then you just have to tap on the enable notification button and then press allow. Now once you do this, you will be in your Tonkeeper wallet as you have successfully created your wallet. Now let me show you all of the features and the options that you are going to get into this wallet. So first of all, in the top you are going to see your wallets tab. So if you want to tap on it, then you are going to see the option of add wallet. So if you want to add a new wallet into it, then you just have to tap on the add wallet button. Now you are going to see various options, like you can create a new wallet into it, you can import your existing wallet with the help of 24 secret recovery words, you can pair it with your ledger account, and you can also watch some other accounts. So if you want to do any of these things with the help of these options, so you can do so, and all of your wallets will be shown in the top. After that, you are going to see the option of your current balance that is showing you in the top. Underneath it, you are going to see your wallet address, which you can copy. Then you are going to see various options like send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, and stake. So basically you can do anything on the Tonkeeper wallet that you can do on MetaMask, Phantom, or any other wallet that you were using previously. Now over here in the bottom, you are going to see this history tab. So if you tap on history, you are going to see your bought history of the Ton coins, receivings, and the deposits. So basically you are going to see your transaction history in this section. Next, we have the option of browser. So if you tap on the browser button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will be landed on this explore page where you are going to see various NFT websites, various DeFi and exchanges on which you can directly link your Tonkeeper wallet. Here in the top right hand corner, you can even change your country. So if you want to do that, just tap on the icon that you see in the top right hand corner, and after that you can change your country over here. Next, we have the option of the search bar. So if you want to type any other website, let's say I want to type Dex Screener, so you just have to type the website name in the search bar and it will redirect you in the browser where you can start using it very smoothly. Now if we come back to the wallet page, you are going to see this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So if you tap on this gear icon, you will be landed on this page where the first option that you see is of wallet. So if you tap on wallet, you will be able to customize your wallet. So basically you can change your wallet name in this section, then you can give it a theme or the color. Then if you want to add any emoji into it, then you can also do it with the help of these emojis that are given over here. Then you just have to tap on the save button and your wallet will be customized. Then we have the backup option. So whenever you create your wallet, the first thing that you need to do with your wallet is to simply backup it so that you could use it next time. So in order to backup it, you just have to tap on the backup button, then you simply need to tap on the backup manually option. Now once you do this, you are going to see the recovery phrase in front of you. So you just have to copy your recovery phrase and you just have to keep it somewhere safe. Next, we have the option of tokens. So if you tap on tokens, you will be shown USD So if you tap on the USDT option, you are going to see its name as well as your token ID. So basically you can hide your token from the wallet, and you can even add any other tokens into your wallet. Then we have the notifications option. So if you want to enable or disable your push notifications, then you can turn on or turn off this toggle button. Next we have the option of currency. So by default the currency will be set as the USD, but if you want to change it to any other currency, then you just have to tap on the primary currency option, and then you just have to change your currency if you want to. Next we have the option of battery. So battery and the wallet W5 option are currently in beta. So if you tap on battery, then the Tonkeeper battery is going to save the battery for your account. So this is the beta feature. Next we have the wallet W5 feature. So if you tap on it, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the W5 feature, and you can even add your W5 wallet into it. Next we have the security option. So if you tap on security, you can use your fingerprints and your lock screen as well as your passcode in order to provide more security to your account. Next we have the option of theme. So if you tap on theme, it will show you the current theme that you will be using. So as currently I'm using the deep blue theme, but if you want to change it to dark or light, then you just have to tap on it and the changes will be reflect on your account accordingly. Next we have the option of search. So by default it will use the DuckDuckGo browser, but if you want to redirect into the Google, or if you want to use Google search engine, then you can even select Google. Next we have the option of language. If you want to change your language, then you simply need to tap on the language option, and here you can select among these languages like Russian, English, Turkish and Chinese. So other than this, you will not be able to see any other languages option. Next is the option that we have is of address update. So if you tap on this option, you are going to see your wallet address. So you are going to see your old address as well as your new address, so you can copy your wallet address from this section. Next we have the FAQ section and the support section. So basically with the help of FAQs, you can get to know a lot of queries and the questions from this FAQ sections. Basically they are going to provide you various types of popular articles that you can use to get used to the the Tonkeeper wallet. With the help of support, you can directly contact them. So you can contact them and you can get the answer of your queries. You can even delete your account if you want to, and in the bottom you will be able to see the sign out option. So if you want to log yourself out of the Tonkeeper application, Tonkeeper wallet, then you can also do it very easily. So these were some of the settings of the Tonkeeper wallet account, and on the home page you will be able to see the Ton coin and its current price and the USDT. So if you want to know how you can get the Ton coin into your account, then I will create separate videos on this topic. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.